Capricorn, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH at ito ang inyong weekly reading for April 14 to 2025. So if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support, like, share this video, at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. Okay, so let's see Capricorn. What's up with the Cappies ngayong week na to, Capricorn? Anong ganap? Retrograde. Oy. Meron kayong nire-review, nire-reassess. Maaring meron kayong mga ayusin, babalikan, mga hindi nyo na asikaso in the past. Relationship o Capricorn, yung iba sa inyo, maaring merong kino-consider na balikan from your past. Okay, you have the energy ng Aries, so this is enthusiasm, very enthusiastic, alive, alert, awake. Yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng papasok kayo sa isang business partnership na matagal nyo nang kino-consider kung susubukan nyo, and now, maaring ito na, makapag-decide ka na talaga, finally. Yung iba naman, pwedeng romantic relationship. Kino-consider mo na balikan na ang person na to, lalo na kung in the works or maayos yung situation nyo ngayon, like nag-uusap kayo. Pwede rin tong hindi lang naman to sa romantic relationship. Any kind of relationship, can be friendship. Parang you're trying to revive this connection. Pero, syempre, with precaution din yan, Capricorn. Kasi nga, retrograde siya. Baka minsan, madala ka lang sa bugso ng damdamin mo, pero hindi ka pa naman pala ready na bumalik sa person na to. So, pakiramdaman mo. And then, let's see. You have the King of Pentacles. So, that is your energy. You have the Fool. Wow, magte-take ka na ng risk. The Hierophant. The Five of Pentacles. The Death card. Oh, wow. Ang daming major arcanas nito, Capricorn. So, I feel like, there's a new opportunity for you. Can be sa career, trabaho mo, or sa business mo. I see a leadership role unfolding. So, pwedeng ikaw ay mapopromote or may increase sa trabaho. Lalo na kung yung iyong career or trabaho is related to teaching, training. Basta nag-share ka ng knowledge mo. Ganon. Ng expertise mo. You have the Five of Pentacles here. This is about financial struggle, no? So, yung iba sa inyo, Capricorn, maaring nagsa-struggle kayo financially, but things will change, okay? With the Death card here, this is about rebirth, a new beginning, a new opportunity for you na mag-open. You have the Four of Pentacles. At itong opportunity na to na magsisimula for you, especially sa career, business, or trabaho, meron tong ibibigay sa'yo na stability, no? So, kumbaga, kung ano man yung unstable sa career path, trabaho mo, ito ay maaayos na. Meron din ditong pwedeng, if meron kang person na hindi nakakausap for quite a while, no, for a long time, pwedeng magkakaroon ka ng opportunity na makapag-usap kayo at maayos at masettle yung naging problema nyo in the past. This can be any type of relationship. Pwedeng romantic connection, sa friendship, dati mong naging katrabaho, or boss mo before. I think ngayong week na to mas magaan for you, no, to do the things na gusto mong gawin. I also see you planning, no? May pinaplano mo yung araw-araw na gagawin mo for this week. kumbaga, minumonitor mo yung progress mo, minumonitor mo yung changes na ginagawa mo, whatever this is, especially in your career path. So, definitely a major change na natin. Ano tong transformation na to? 7th house, oh my God, relationship. Capricorn. So, if yung iba sa inyo, concern nyo ang relationship ninyo, there can be parang merong, can be endings or new beginnings para sa iba sa inyo. Okay? So, let's see what else. Capricorn for this week. 'Di ba? Sabi ko sa inyo, pinaplano nyo, planning, strategizing. Kumbaga, yung inyong steps, 2 steps ahead. Ganon. Advance mag-isip. Yes, you are reclaiming your power. Mas pinalalakas nyo ang inyong sarili, yung kakayanan ninyo. I think some of you, Capricorn, medyo challenging yung mga nakaraang weeks ninyo, no? So, ngayon, kinokondisyon nyo na yung sarili nyo to bounce back, no? Para makabawi ulit. You also have energy ng child. O, diba? Makabawi ulit. Transformation, rising from the ashes. See? Diba? There's a rebirth. It's a new era, a brand new you. And I think, no, marami ka nang natutunan sa mga past experience mo with the spilled milk kasi this is about regrets. Okay? Kumbaga, you are leaving things behind na, okay, tapos na, charge to experience, natutunan ko tong ganitong sitwasyon, and that's it, no? Natuto ka na doon, you've learned from it, and now you are strengthening yourself. So, tinan natin ang energy ng money, career, finances for Capricorn. Queen of Wands energy. Maaring kayo ay very creative. You are exploring your options, your other skills sa trabaho mo, sa career mo. You have the 8 of Wands. So, maraming project, marami kang magagawa. Very active ka ngayon sa career, sa business mo. You have the 5 of Wands. So, just pay attention sa competition around you. Kasi maaring merong mga tao na can be insecure of you or very competitive sa'yo na pwedeng hindi sila lumaban ng patas. Oo. Or mag-ingat ka sa mga taong makikisalamuha sa'yo or makikipagtrabaho sa'yo, especially if this is business partnership. So, pag-isipang maigi, kilalanin mo, i-check mo yung background ng person na yan. Okay, sa love life naman. Uy, 2 of Cups, Capricorn, luma-love life talaga kayo. Tapos biglang 3 of Swords. Oo. So, this is transformative para sa iba sa inyo kasi mukhang nagkaroon dito ng can be separation or misunderstanding. Pero with the 2 of Cups and the Chariot, I think maaayos. Oo. So, kung kayo nasa ganyan sitwasyon, nagkakaproblema kayo ng relationship ninyo ng partner mo, you have to talk it out, no? Pag-usapang maigi. And eventually, maayos. Oo. I think, kailangan nyo lang ng time para sa isa't isa, like, traveling together, going to different places. Baka kulang lang sa sa time. Kulang lang sa lambing. Oo, if you are connecting with someone. If you're single, possible, meron kang makilala ngayong week na to or kaya lang pay attention to this person, no? Kasi pwedeng meron siyang mga baggages, no? Or kailangan mong alamin about this person. Rituals. Steady yourself with simple rituals. Do the dishes, fold laundry, water the plants, make a cup of tea, let wisdom sneak up on you. So I think this is your time for yourself, no? Na gumawa ng mga mundane things, mga pang araw-araw natin ginagawa, but mas aware ka sa ginagawa mo na yon, hindi ka distracted. Okay? So that is your reading, Capricorn. Thank you so much. See you again.